Hello YouTube. I got asked a question concerning timing, how to change the timing after you've installed an ignition module on an 031. So I wanted to make a quick video that hopefully will explain exactly how I advance the timing 3/4 of an inch on the outside diameter so that the saw will run correctly and not retarded. So here's how I did it. Some parts you might need. That is a flywheel removing tool from Stihl. That's the part number. I've already removed the flywheel nut from right here. There are some things that you want to look at. I've indexed on the bolt here where the flywheel key is located, and then I've ran a straight edge from that mark through here to the outside of the flywheel, and I've made a mark on the case, so a nice straight line. The next thing I do is remove the flywheel, okay, and if you can see here, your advance will be counterclockwise. So I have my original timing mark here. I've measured over 3/4 of an inch, made a yellow mark. You take a straight edge, you go straight through this hole to that outside, and then you can make a mark right there in yellow, if you can see that. The next thing you'll do is you're actually going to remove the woodruff key. Now, on this saw, I'll be doing it at a later date. I need to work on it quite a bit before I get to that point. But you'll remove that key. You have a piston stop in, so that index is not going to move. You'll take your flywheel and you'll line up the yellow dot with the black mark you have there. That's where your key would originally be. You'll have your yellow mark there, and then your one on the outside that you'll line up with the case. So that'll sit on there just like that. You will not have a key, so you need to tighten that down appropriately, and you may have to adjust slightly from there, just forward or backwards, to find where it runs best. I don't know the degrees. I will probably in this video put in the links a video to an actual a better description on how to time, but I just wanted to show that you do have to remove that key, and that's a rough estimate to get yourself 3/4 of an inch outside diameter advance. I would guess maybe 30 degrees advance in timing in order for this chip ignition module, I should say, to run properly in these saws. Hope this was helpful. Over and out.